Okay, guys, I'm finally doing it. I'm making a video how to combine a Amazon super URL and a brand referral link so you can get rankings and that 10% referral link from Amazon. Sorry, I've had COVID for the past few days. I still have it, and I'm finally getting over it a little bit, so I wanted to make you this video real fast to show you exactly how to do it. So let me go through that. So let me. Whoop, you like that sound effect? It's pretty awesome. Okay, so I basically made the sheet on how effectiveness and what the latest updates are with the Amazon super URLs. Basically, let me zoom in right here. So the first most effective link right now to this date are called Thrasio Google links, and it's basically mimicking going through the Google search engine because Amazon prioritized. This is actually tested. Amazon prioritized traffic from Google more than any other traffic source ever. I've tested this; it's 100% true, and the Google links are more effective. They are 3 times more effective than search, find, buy links, which is fascinating. Google or Amazon is prioritizing the traffic from Google more than it prioritizes the rankings from their own search engine. That is huge, guys. That is like huge, huge. Now, why that is, I'm not sure, but this is really big news. It really is. So that's just so you guys know. That's the latest update with when it comes to search, find, buy. And I'll go into the effectiveness of this in a second. And then the third is Pixelfy Super URLs. If you haven't heard of Pixelfy, it's like a third-party tool that basically can mimic certain super URLs, and they're able to do timestamping within their super URLs. And they have about a 50% effectiveness rate because Amazon's getting better at spotting them. And then there's normal super URLs, meaning not using any third-party site, just using a standard super URL. And that's what we are going to be using today because that's the only link that we're going to be able to combine with a brand referral link. So, just so you know. Okay, so let me dive right into that. Okay, so this is what I mean by effectiveness. Let me go back. So basically, what I mean by effectiveness, zoom out right here. Okay, so let's say if we were going for the keyword phone charger, okay, in this case. And we looked on at Helium 10, and then they gave us the CPR giveaway rate of 100 units over 8 days. Okay, and let's say we wanted to try to rank for this keyword. This is what the average would be for that 100 unit giveaway. So it's basically speaking in search, find, buy standards. That is the baseline in this case. And if we use Thrasio Google links are about 3 times more effective than search, find, buys at this very moment in time. And then below that, it's going to basically what this means on the right side, meaning that we would only have to give away 30 units if we use this method. We would have to give away 100 units if we use search, find, buy. We'd have to give away 200 units if we're using Pixelfy super URLs, and we'd have to give 240 through the super URL method. So yes, you will have to give away more with this method, but if you are doing promotional campaigns or if you say if you're not giving the product away, then it's going to be okay. This method is for you to get referral based traffic without and gain small amounts in rankings. This will not usually get you to rank 1 for any big keywords using this method. But you will be able to get the brand referral traffic, that 10% referral fee, and small increases in rankings. That's what this method is used for. This is not to try to push rank 1. This is for small incremental sales and small incremental ranks for this particular method. You can push the crap out of this, and you can run Facebook ads to this and start making a profit using this method. This can 100% be done, and using that 10% referral fee, you have more margins to work with now. So just something to keep in mind with this. But that's basically what we're going to be using today is this super URL method. Okay. So now let me go to the next section. So our goal is to get rankings and get that 10% referral fee. That is the ending goal of this whole method. And the way we're going to be doing that, I have a link in the description below on this basically the template of what I use here. So the basically the way to basically go through the structure of this, you basically put keyword plus keyword. You can have one keyword in here, 100% fine. But if you put multiple keywords, you just keep putting pluses. You can't put spaces in URLs. It doesn't work like that. And then you just put the ASIN, the child ASIN right here. So it's literally that simple. So you literally can get a keyword, whatever keyword you want to rank for, and then put the child ASIN in here, and then you'll be able to put this in here. And now keep in mind, if you are so far off the map when it comes to ranking for that keyword, you will not actually show up for this keyword. But you will show up if you rank like 300, you will pop up. And this is what. Let me show you an example of what this looks like. So let me do an example product. Let me think. Okay, so for example, let's say if we wanted to create a super URL link for this particular product right here, using that fourth method. So first thing, I'm gonna take the URL right up here, or I'm gonna take the ASIN right there, and I'm gonna go back to this link structure, and then I'm in the child ASIN. I'm gonna put the ASIN just like that, and then for the keyword, I'm gonna put phone plus charger. That is the keyword I want to rank for. And now when I click this link, oops. Okay, rewind that a couple of seconds. Okay, and now when I bring this link together and I copy this link and paste it, it's gonna go right here. And don't mind all these Chrome extension stuff. There's a lot on here. But this is what it ends up looking at, and will be the only product on here, and it will mimic me looking at a phone charger, me searching the phone charger, and coming here, and where the customer can purchase, and that's where you would see those incremental sales. Okay, so that's how you get rankings, but that is not how you get referral fees. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this URL structure right here that we just created, and we are going to go into Amazon attribution. That is where we're going next. And that is where we can start basically pushing to get that extra commission on on the products. And if you do not have access, Amazon attribution actually closed recently for new users. If you need to invite, let me know. I have someone that can invite you and get you in. So let's go into Amazon attribution. Let's create a new order. And honestly, it's smart to add all your products, add all on this page. I always add all to this page because if the person clicks and decides to buy another product, you want to get that commission too. So I usually put all of them just for that reason alone. But make sure that like the main product you're trying to promote here is there, just to keep that in mind. So in this case, I'm going to call it phone charger, even though this product that is in here is not a phone charger. It's okay. Continue. And then enter line item name. I'm going to type in phone charger. And I do all my publishing through Facebook ads most of the time. So that's what I always put, Facebook ads. Yes, and I have attribution tag. And that super URL that we created right here, that's the URL we're going to put in through the click-through URL. Now I'm going to press create. Boom. Okay, and I'll copy this link. And it'll look like kind of messed up. But basically, you can put this on your social media or anything else. But this is where you now have a super URL combined with a brand referral link. So that way you will get that 10% sales and rankings at the same time. It goes through the same process. It looks just like to Amazon. Hey, it looks like I typed in phone charger, and actually bought the product. So it looks just like I searched it, but I didn't. So that way you can send this via email to people. You can send this anywhere you like, but that way you can get that 10% referral fee, and at the same time you can get those rankings as well for those particular keywords. So that's basically it, and that's basically how you create the brand referral link. And next video I am going to eventually create is I'm going to show you guys how to create a Thrasio Google link, because the effectiveness is so unbelievably high right now. Guys, I have literally done a product where with 30,000 search volume, we gave away like 100 products and ranked one for the keyword for a 30,000 volume search volume keyword. Insane. It was crazy. So that was like rank. They went from rank 300 to like rank one within. It was crazy. So these Thrasio links, they work. They're just a pain to keep up. And I will let basically the people that are followed on the Amazon Seller News. I have an Amazon Seller newsletter that I basically keep everyone updated to the latest information on the latest Amazon Seller News. I am going to update those people first, so keep that in mind if you want to get that first access to that. Because once I start talking about it, it will decrease the effectiveness of it. So just keep that in mind. And there's a lot more new exciting things coming this way, especially with Amazon attribution with this brand referral link. And please keep in mind that the brand referral links are different. The brand referral bonuses are different based off the category you're in. So please keep that in mind. So like for some it's 30%, some it's 20%, some it's 5%. So keep in mind for your category, this will be in the description below, but you'll be able to figure out what your particular um, brand referral link percentage is here. So you'll be able to find that all information right here. So just let me know if you have any questions there, and I'm happy to provide any insight you like. But yeah, that's basically the newest and hottest stuff that's coming out right now. So let me know if you guys have any questions, and I'm happy to answer them. Thanks.